Hello. I'm Bhavya, and I'm in the final year of law school right now, which means that I'm going to graduate in about a couple of months. When I joined Lloyd Law College, I joined law school basically because I thought I wanted to become a criminal lawyer. But when I advanced the studies, I realized that litigation is really not my cup of tea. Even though I interned in a lot of litigation firms, including under the chambers of Miss Pinky Anand, I somehow realized sooner or later that litigation is not my cup of tea. Since our college really gave us a lot of time to explore ourselves, I started writing. I started content writing when I was in the third year, and I soon started freelance writing, and with that I went on to LinkedIn personal branding, and I wrote for a couple of businesses when I was in third year. And with that I realized that I could actually profess my parallel profession apart from law as well, and that's how I started freelance writing, and I've been doing so since the past 2 years. With the onset of COVID, I got an internship under Singhania and Company, prior to which I interned with Amazon, which was a corporate setup, and I thought that I was actually meant for a corporate internship. However, when I interned in Singhania in Bangalore, I realized that I could maybe do litigation as well, but I was still dicey about it. However, with the onset of COVID, I realized that there are no jobs. I got a job offer, but that got stood up because of the hiring freeze that was happening in a lot of companies back in Bangalore. And that's when I took up full freelancing, and I have been working with a lot of MNCs and law firms since the past 5 months. And had it not been Lloyd Law College, I don't think I'd actually explore myself, because if anyone told me 3 years ago that I would become a writer, I would really laugh it off, because I hadn't thought about becoming a writer and professing it full-fledgedly. However, in the month of Jan 2020, I founded the Lloyd Mental Health Society in the college premises, and I gave a lot of sessions to the first years, second years, in fact all the batches of law school, right from BA LLB first sem to the LLB last batch, including mine. And it was then that I realized that I could also profess mental health. All in all, Lloyd has really given me the power to profess whatever I can, because it has also given me the confidence that I can do anything what I feel like. I do not have to follow the conventional path of law. Although I'm really confident about proving myself in that, Lloyd has given me the power to believe in myself that I can do something apart from law as well. And signing off, I'd like to say that had it not been Lloyd, I wouldn't have really been sitting here and speaking. Thank you.